Only the most adaptive survives. Companies need leaders, especially digital leaders, to adapt digital changes and to survive in this super competitive marketplace. In Leadership Series with Bimser International, we would like to get your attention on importance of leadership on digital transformation in this digital age. You are the leader for digital transformation at your organization. Digital leadership means leading your company towards adapting organization's systems, structure and culture to capture opportunities enabled by digital technologies. As your digital leadership partner based in New York, Bimser International has been an enterprise software development company since 1998. Bimser has more than 1,000 corporate customers worldwide in many different industries. Digital transformation is in our veins. We are here to partner with you in your leadership journey towards digital transformation at your organization. Assets such as machinery, equipment, devices, facilities and properties need to be managed well to ensure that each asset performs at its best for the longest time possible. The better you manage your assets, the more competitive your organization becomes in this hyper-competitive marketplace. In this view, as your digital transformation partner, we strongly recommend digital asset management in a digital, traceable and recorded environment. This needs your leadership at your organization to happen. That is why digital leadership is crucial at any organization. To schedule a meeting to discuss how we can help you succeed, feel free to contact us now. For more information, please visit us online at www.bimserinternational.com. Thank you for your time and interest in Bimser International.